Namaste viewers, we have Mr. Banu, famously called in the industry, but Banu Arvindakshan, of course from Otilla. He is the platinum sponsor for the forthcoming Melange. And to be a platinum sponsor, there has to be a lot of faith that he invests in the entire concept.
See, we have been associated with MTF Cricket League for the last 2 years, and this is going to be the third year as well. So we have seen the kind of event that has been organized by the organizers here. So, and the way they are building up the event, we definitely feel it will be a very good B2B show, and it's quality people who are coming.
Hi, this is Hardik Mehta from Urvi Luxury Destination, and we are platinum sponsor in Melange. So when Mr. Pradeep Sabu has given this idea of Melange, so I was 100% sure this is a big and a better and a very big scale platform for showcase our company. So this is the main reason that we joined Melange.
We are the Excel Software Consultancy and they are the gold sponsor for the Melange. Ufi, can you throw some light on why do you feel Melange will be the new game changer?
Melange will be a game changer. Firstly, because it is an exhibition for the trade, by the trade. Secondly, all the exhibitors will be getting big value for money, as only B2C visitors will be allowed after prior screening.
We have Mr. Vivek Gupta with us. The gentleman is from Amigo Travels Private Limited. So Vivek, you have come in as the gold sponsor for Melange. Melange is at the threshold of being launched. What brought you to the stage of being a gold sponsor?
The group of guys who are launching this product, it's just faith, because it's not always the finance and cutting corners and stuff like that.
Whether it's the Cricket League or it's this one, we expect and anticipate that this is going to be one of the trade shows which will come. And it comes right in the start of the the winter season from India. So it makes a very good impact for us.
The guys are putting in so much effort. So they should get in the crowd, and it should be productive for us as well as for them, and give them more confidence to probably raise the bar.
Melange will be setting a benchmark for all future trade exhibitions.
So see you on 19 and 20 September in Geo World. Thank you.